I'll be teaching you how to flip over a dog toy or something that's a little high. Well, where you put your fingers is in the front, the middle, and the back. What you do is you roll it, and while you're rolling it, you pop up and then let go, and then this is what'll happen. That was messy. No, don't even check. Look at that. But that's not what'll happen. I just hit the camera. This is what'll happen. You see how I landed? Now I'm gonna put another tech deck on top of this. Well, I'm gonna put a tech deck next to the dog toy, and then I would have to jump over the tech deck and the dog toy. It might be a little tricky, and you might not land, but if you do, good for you. This is what might happen. Mess up because I pushed the tech deck against the toy. So redo.
Try just flipping it, like boom.
This is what'll happen. You see, I landed it. Sometimes I might land, sometimes I might. You have tech decks at home? Good for you. Try whatever I taught you. But now, from the actor, bye-bye.